Today we are going to be unboxing the hybrid LTE and land mobile IP730D radio. On the side of the box you will find the UPC information where you can register the radio for warranty. Now let's open the box. When you open the box you will find the warranty information and instruction manual, the radio. Next you have the battery, you have the microphone cover, lastly the belt clip. Now let's assemble the radio. The IP730D series offers a range of long and stubby antennas to meet your requirements for both VHF and UHF communications. The LTE antenna is located inside the radio. There are standard desktop charger options available as well as a gang charger unit. There are many recommended accessories to go with the IP730D, including headsets, earpieces, and speaker mics. Thank you for watching the unboxing video of the IP730D.